Photography and social media awareness. Dubai's breathtaking skyline, glittering skyscrapers and cultural landmarks are perfect for stunning photographs, but capturing these memories requires discretion. Photographing people without their permission, especially women and families, is not only impolite but also illegal. Many residents value their privacy deeply, and taking unauthorized photos can lead to complaints or even police involvement. Certain areas such as government buildings, military installations and airports have strict no photography rules. Signs are usually posted in such locations, but when in doubt, it's better to err on the side of caution. Similarly, using drones for aerial photography requires a special permit and is heavily regulated to ensure privacy and security. When it comes to sharing on social media, Dubai has stringent cybercrime laws that govern what can be posted online. Sharing unauthorized images of people, posting offensive content, or engaging in negative commentary about the city can have serious consequences. It's always wise to focus your posts on the beauty of the locations or your personal experiences, avoiding controversial or sensitive topics. By being mindful of these guidelines, you not only protect yourself from legal troubles, but also show respect for the local culture. Photographing responsibly and sharing thoughtfully allows you to create cherished memories while maintaining the positive image of this extraordinary city.